Hello friends! Today we are going to make a kite. To make a kite, we need square sheet of any color with side 21 cm. Same color pieces of paper 3.5 into 4.5 cm. Take any other color square sheet with side 9 cm. Take 2 broomsticks of 29 cm and 35 cm. Two oval shape cutouts of black color. Cutout of a crescent shape of pink colored sheet. 3 streamers of different colors. A glue. To make a kite, we will take a square shaped sheet of any color. Here I am using yellow color sheet. Fold the paper diagonally to make a crease. Now unfold the paper. Take a broomstick of length 29 cm. Place it on the crease vertically. Take pieces of paper of same color, apply glue on it to paste the stick. Now take another stick and place it like an arc and paste same color pieces of paper to paste the arc. To decorate the kite, flip it. Take 2 black colored oval shaped cutouts. Apply glue on these and paste to make eyes of the kite. Take crescent shaped cutout, apply glue on it and paste it just below the eyes. Take cutout of a square, fold it diagonally to make a triangle. Apply glue on it and paste it at the bottom corner. Take streamers of different colors. Apply glue on streamers and paste them on it. Wow! Beautiful kite is ready!